Alright, it is Wednesday, August 8th, 2018 at 1:37 p.m. Alright, let's look at Hurricane Hector. This is the closest that I could get to seeing Hurricane Hector in live satellite. Um, the closest it is to Hawaii. It is very close. The outer bands are getting close to um, turning and hitting the southeast side of Hawaii probably in a few hours. Some rain bands are already reaching parts of the island, a little bit of precipitation there, but it was really hard to get this satellite image that I have right now of the hurricane because I looked at the other image sources and it was very hard. Look at the National Oceanographic uh, NOAA, easier satellite image. Look what they did. They have the whole United States, they have the whole world, and then they try to get to the satellite image of Hawaii, and it's cut in half. And then this is the IR loop of the Hawaiian hurricane Hector. Yeah, that is not very good. It just looks like a blob and it's cut off right in the middle. I don't know why they're putting this type of image out there. It's really hard for me to find an actual image. Here's another one that I found. A satellite image of Hector approaching Hawaii. Here is another NOAA picture, the latest picture. The Big Island Visible Imagery, August 8th at 1700 UTC. And then you see the clouds already reaching the island and covering parts of the right hand side of the east and right hand side of the island. That's the latest satellite image that I was able to actually get of the island. Let me see this one. Yeah, and this other one that happened at 7 a.m. of it approaching Hawaii. So it was not easy to get this image of the radar that I somehow found randomly on a website. So let me see, it has a little play option. Let me zoom it out enough and play it, see what it does. You see it churning. Yeah, it looks to be passing on the south of the island. I don't think it's going to be too close, but the bands are definitely going to um, caress the island. Alright, yeah, that is the latest image that I was able to find. Alright, let's read an article about it. Hurricane Hector bearing down on Hawaii. A tropical storm warning has been issued for the Big Island of Hawaii as Hurricane Hector bears down on the state. Hurricane Hector is now a Category 4 hurricane with maximum sustained winds of 130 miles per hour and gusts up to 160 miles per hour. It looks like Hector will continue to slowly weaken as we head through the next 24 to 48 hours as it approaches the Big Island. The National Hurricane Center issued a tropical storm warning for the Big Island just in case some rain bands reach the island. On the forest track, the outer bands of Hurricane Hector will skirt the Big Island later Wednesday with winds over 40 miles per hour, heavy rain bands, and waves up to 15 feet. There is good news as Hector is running into some dry air and cooler ocean water. This will continue to weaken the system as it moves south of Hawaii. It is forecast to still be a powerful Category 3 hurricane as it passes south of the islands Wednesday evening. Active Pacific Ocean. We're also now watching two other tropical cyclones in the Pacific Ocean. Hurricane John is strengthening and is now Category 2 hurricane with winds of 105 miles per hour and is forecast to move northwest parallel to Baja California and miss the popular resort of Cabo San Lucas. Also, Tropical Storm Christy is in the middle of the eastern Pacific. It poses no threat to any landmass. Alright. Let's look at the Ventusky wind and rain. This is what the hurricane looks on Ventusky. As you see, parts of the right-hand side of the island are already covered in rain clouds. The bands reaching to Hawaii. Let's see. Precipitation. Let's see how much rain this guy's dropping. Alright, you see already parts of the island are getting 0.4 inches to 0.7 to 0.6 inches of rain. These are 12-inch thunderstorm bands, as you see, emanating from the hurricane. Yeah, this is bringing the rain, all that precipitation. Alright, so that's it for this video. Just trying to get a little closer to Hurricane Hector, see what he's up to, and hopefully if there's any other developments, I will make another video. Alright, you guys have a good one.